Nino. Mga bitong Jinping Yang for ayan at another left straight.
Jinping Yang. Big punch, coach.
Oh, kondisyon na kondisyon eh.
Hindi talaga nayayanig. Jinping Yang. One of the promoters.
Bago nga po natapos ang taong 2024 mga idol, isang undefeated na Pinoy boxer na tubong Cebu na si Ian Abney ang napalaban sa isang boksengerong pambato ng bansang China na si Jinping Yang nito lamang nakaraang December 14 na naganap sa Talisay City sa Cebu. Ang kanilang bakbakan ay para sa WBA South Minimum Weight Championship. Bago ang bakbakan mga idol, may undefeated record ang ating kababayang si Ian Abney na 11 panalo, 4 ay tinapos via knockout. Samantalang ang kalabang Chinese naman ay may kartadang 5 panalo, 1 ay tinapos via knockout, 4 na talo at 1 tabla.
At atin na ngang panoorin mga idol
ang
kung
laban
paano
ng
nga ba
kontra sa Chinese na kalaban at kung paano nga ba nagtapos ang kanilang bakbakan.
2024,
Mandawi.
now, oh good left hook there by Ian Paul Abney. Mahabang mahaba. Oh, normally naman talaga sa mga earlier round, cautious yung dalawang fighter eh.
Attack.
Yes, exactly. Oh!
Another wild punch.
Nakakapagod din yun pag hindi ka tumatama.
There are minute left. There's the come in. But body punch can run for Jinping Yang.
Oh, good right hook there. Uppercut by Jinping Yang. Another miss there by
Clean. Ooh. Left or right, rather.
pasok yun.
Going to the back.
Ooh. That. Jinping Yang. Yeah. Both of them are now connecting. Both fighters are trying to entertain. Tama. Kumukuha na ng video. He was very...
In rounds of boxing here, Abney continues to attack here.
Yeah, but again, Jinping Yang, hindi siya nagsimula. But ngayon, parang iniba niya yung laro niya.
That's the adjustment of Jinping Yang.
Oh, good right. Straight there. But also Jinping Yang answered.
By Ian Paul Abney.
Oh, good left hook there. Or left straight by Jing.
Fighters going low.
Oh, good.
Oh.
Exchange. Sa huli pa. Oh, what a good punch there by Jinping Yang.
Nice connection right there. Butatado nito si Abney. But body punch, coach! What a body punch connected by Abney.
Oh, ganda no? Abney trying to answer back with that left hook.
Another body for Ian up this performance. Oh,
Jinping Yang Nino. Every time that he
Fighter.
Oh yeah, very careful then.
oh, but hands nitong si
Good point.
under a minute.
Oh, Abney body daw.
Nagiging coach din.
Right, sabi ko, 1-on-2 lang to eh. Ang basketball tsaka boxing sa athlete pag may laban.
Palaging nasa bahay. Yeah.
Oh,
Combination.
oh good right hook there. Again another right hook there by Ian Paul Abney. Both fighters now.
Thrown more against
We want more.
3 minutes is not enough for both.
Ang gusto mo talaga sa mga visitor, wala pa arte-arte all the way from China.
Nice connection right there by Abney. Oh, face to... Oh, but tinamaan si Abney.
Oh, both fighters are hitting each other. Pero pa isa-isa lang. Kailangan may follow-up eh.
Body punch by Ian Paul. Now connect. That time, body for Abney. Now going to the face. Not right now, medyo mahihain dito itong
Bart Nino. As you can see there,
landed by Abney. Oh, combination.
first time, that 1-2 punch there. Good block by Automatic. Kung wala siya sa angin, automatic na sequence eh. Agad.
Oh, combination by Jinping Yang.
Oh, good right hook there. Pwede ganun eh. The combination for the baby face.
Oh, Abney. Jinping Yang.
Yeah, but really a block there. Here by Jinping Yang.
Now,
Compared to that third round. Oh, good. Right. Jump there, pero kulang eh. Paul Abney.
both fighters. Oh, kay Ian Paul Abney. Ooh, nice hit. After the throw. Now Abne. Very fighter itong si Jinping Yang.
Nino, yung mga dito ni Jinping Yang for Ayan Abne. Another left straight.
Jinping Yang. Big punch, coach.
Oh, kondisyon na kondisyon eh.
Hindi talaga nayayanig itong si Jinping Yang.
One of the promoters, legendary of Cebu boxing.
No silent both fighters, but Jinping Yang still attacking. Ooh. That's right.
Bawi Jinping Yang baka for his turn. 35 seconds left. Oh, good right hook there, uppercut. I mean, by Abne. Parang he felt something there. Parang tatamaan niya but still standing. So good point there, Nino. He needs to go to the body.
Seconds. That's it. Wearing the black and pink.
Needs some against Ian Paul Abne. So nagpapahinga nung round 5. So let to throw some combinations again. He needs some body punch, Nino.
And more precise shot for Ian Paul Abne. Oh!
Kulang lang. Hindi na tumama yung last. Sabi ni Pace.
If he wants to go dito.
Oo, hindi na na-follow up again. Kasi makikita mo rin siya, hindi pwedeng naghihintay lang yan ng counter punch eh.
And they can figure out what's the perfect.
Yang now goes to the body of Abne. Oh, good right. Oh, good left hook again there by Ian Paul Abne. So far, ito yung hindi masolve ni Jinping Yang eh. That left hook.
Ian Paul Abne, Coach Paul, no?
Oo. Republic of China.
Yan, no?
Oh, parang breakfast, lunch, dinner.
A minute, last 10 seconds. Pag nag-slow doon itong si Jinping yan, ha? Good sign for Abne.
Actually, both fighters then magpapahinga.
Or the visitor coming from Republic of China, Jinping.
Combinations ninyo for Jinping here to survive. Oh, both fighters. Yun yung gusto natin. Jinping Yang. His thing, that right hook to the head.
Ooh, solid one. Ang mga ganung punches, coach, no? But staying strong.
Oh, good. Counter punch there.
He's still targeting the head. Ooh, nice combo.
Tinapon mo, wala ka natatama.
Ooh, bawi din.
Both fighters now hitting each other. Jinping Yang.
Nice straight.
Ganun talaga ni Jinping Yang. In fairness to Jinping Yang, still
Ooh, solid body punch.
baka kasi mga below the belt. Natatayo ninyo.
Ooh, solid one for Abne. And now aggressive. Ooh, solid body punch.
Oh, madulas lang doon. Good block there by Ian Paul Abne.
Good exchange.
Pa-isa-isa lang eh. Oh, good left hook there to the head of Ian Paul Abne. Jinping Yang nakatayo pa rin eh.
Grabe, solid.
Good time for Jinping Yang. Importante lang ninyo, yung tama ka ng isa. Thou shall not complain all the time. Bulacau Activity Center where in Talisa is hitting. Oh, combination this time by Ian Paul Abne. Again, what
Ibay.
Oo, ang mahirap dito ninyo is score eh.
Tama nitong si Ian Paul Abne. Another one. Ooh!
Good is left here ninyo on our react.
Oh, good Abne.
Yes, exactly, Nino. Saving some energy, but a good left hook there again by Ian Paul Abne. Another left there! Under 10 seconds. And that's it. Yung mga trans. Jinping Yang. Good exchange this time.
Solid one. Right, connected by Abne. Now he's going for the attack. Here comes Abne.
Oh, alam mo ninyo si Jinping, alam mo na, kondisyon to, maganda yung yung preparasyon.
Some hard time here.
Oh, good exchange there for both fighters.
Oh, Jinping answered.
Easy. Still standing. To knock out this guy, dapat pumupunta siya sa
Itong si Jinping Yang. Medyo nadulas pa. Itong si Ian Abne. Will change. Stars collide here with Bulacau. Then si Jinping Yang.
Exactly, Nino. But grabe.
Solid for Jinping Yang.
Yeah, under 20 seconds down the time. Oh, good left.
Ooh,
Good
connected
left
din.
hook. Grabe yung kondisyon ni Jinping Yang. And Ian Paul Abne, dapat kuminekta na daw sa katawan.
Parang
Kasi ang dami nang na-receive no, sa mukha nitong Jinping Yang, but still standing here, Nino.
kaya parang hindi visitor dito itong si Jinping Yang. Dahil hindi nanibago sa klima ng Philippines.
Oo, kasi sa kanila, may dito sa Cebu at sa Pilipinas.
Palaging mainit.
Oo. Again,
Aggressive
Abne
now,
still very big nito, ha? Oh, good fighters
good.
now. Both fighters are hitting each other, but that time, Jinping Yang is missing.
Jinping Yang.
Oh, but Abne needs to be careful on that counter punch. You know, dito ninyo, unofficial scoring natin so far, I give 8.
Solid.
Oo.
You can see
Under a minute and
Yang.
oh, pagod na rin, kitang-kita mo, but still standing. Thou shall not kumpiyansa dito for Ape champion. All the way from Manticao. He's
Going for that body. Ian Paul Abne. Connected.
under a minute and 20 left.
Medyo tired na Jinping Yang.
Oh, pagod na rin, kitang-kita mo, but still standing. Still want to connect.
Matapos nga po ang umaatikabong bakbakan ng dalawang boksingero mga idol, humantong ang resulta sa kamay ng mga hurado. Dito ay itinanghal na panalo ang ating kababayang si Ian Abne at nananatili pa rin na isang undefeated.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new WBA Asia South Minimum Wage Champion, Ian Paul Abne!
Ano ang masasabi nyo mga idol sa Pinoy na boksingerong ito? Paki-comment naman po ang inyong opinion. Maraming salamat po.